In the heart of the bustling Mini Chef's Academy, Chef Beary Blossom, Bunny Baker, Panda Patissier, Kitty Cooks, and Squirrel Sous Chef were ready for their next culinary adventure. Today, Chef Beary had a special treat in store for the young animal chefs, a fruit fiesta fusion. With a swirl of excitement, Chef Beary Blossom led the mini chefs to a vibrant corner of the kitchen, where an array of colourful fruits awaited them. Welcome, my fantastic chefs. Today, we're diving into the world of fruits. Get ready for Chef Beary's Fruit Fiesta Fusion. The mini chefs clapped their paws and wiggled with joy, eager to explore the colourful fruits spread before them. Chef Beary quickly explained the challenge, creating refreshing fruit salads using an assortment of fruits. No time to waste, my friends. Let's use our colours, numbers, and shapes to make the most delicious fruit salads. Are you ready for Chef Beary's Fruit Fiesta Fusion? Chef Beary Blossom exclaimed. The young animal chefs nodded enthusiastically, their eyes shining with anticipation. Bunny Baker hopped with excitement. Panda Patissier twirled gracefully. Kitty Cooks meowed with delight, and Squirrel Sous Chef chattered happily as they all gathered around the fruit-filled table. Chef Beary Blossom demonstrated the art of fruit blending, showcasing how to mix and match colours, count the fruits, and create beautiful shapes in their salads. The kitchen buzzed with the joy of learning as the mini chefs explored the variety of fruits. As the mini chefs started chopping, slicing, and blending, Chef Beary encouraged them to use their newfound knowledge of colours, numbers, and shapes. Let's make a rainbow of fruit salads, my mini chefs. Count the fruits, match the colours, and arrange them in fun shapes. But, oh my whiskers, challenges awaited them. Some fruits were slippery, and cutting them into shapes required concentration. Chef Beary taught them about patience and precision, turning the challenges into opportunities to learn essential skills in the kitchen. The mini chefs worked together, helping each other overcome hurdles and creating the most vibrant and delicious fruit salads. The kitchen was filled with laughter and the delightful aroma of fresh fruits. As they gathered around the table to taste their creations, Chef Beary Blossom beamed with pride. Congratulations, my fantastic mini chefs! You've mastered the Fruit Fiesta Fusion and created the most scrumptious and healthy fruit salads. Now, let's savour the flavours of our colourful creation. The mini chefs enjoyed their fruit salads, each bite a celebration of their creativity, teamwork, and the joy of learning. And so, in the lively Mini Chef's Academy, the young animal chefs continued their journey of exploration, turning every kitchen challenge into a delicious and educational adventure. The fruity fiesta had come to an end, but the learning and laughter echoed in the happiest kitchen of all. In the lively Mini Chef's Academy, the bustling kitchen was abuzz with the exciting aroma of upcoming adventures. Chef Beary Blossom, Bunny Baker, Panda Patissier, Kitty Cooks, and Squirrel Sous Chef were ready for their next culinary escapade. Today, it was Bunny Baker's turn to lead the way with a biscuit baking adventure filled with a surprise bunny hop challenge. Hello, my talented chefs! Today's adventure is all about Bunny's Bunny Hop Biscuits, Chef Beary Blossom announced with a twinkle in her eyes. The mini chefs clapped their paws and stomped their feet, eager to discover the delightful secrets Bunny Baker had in store. Without wasting a moment, Bunny Baker hopped to the centre of the kitchen, her long ears bouncing with excitement. Get ready, my friends! We're not just baking biscuits today, we're baking biscuits with a hop, skip, and jump. The mini chefs giggled with anticipation as Bunny Baker explained the Bunny Hop challenge. They were to mix, knead, and shape their biscuit dough while dancing a joyful bunny hop. Hop, hop, hop. Let the rhythm of the bunny hop guide your baking adventure. The kitchen transformed into a lively dance floor as the young animal chefs hopped and twirled, their paws creating a rhythmic beat that echoed through the academy. Chef Beary Blossom tapped her paw, Panda Patissier twirled gracefully, Kitty Cooks meowed in delight, and Squirrel Sous Chef chattered along, adding to the joyful atmosphere. With each hop and skip, Bunny Baker led the mini-chefs through the biscuit baking process. They measured ingredients, mixed the dough, and shaped it into adorable bunny biscuits, all while grooving to the bunny hop rhythm. But, oh my whiskers! Challenges awaited them. The biscuit dough was sticky, and coordinating their dance moves with the baking steps required concentration. Chef Beary Blossom guided them, turning the challenges into opportunities to learn about rhythm, coordination, and the joy of dancing in the kitchen. As the biscuits baked in the oven, the mini-chefs continued their bunny hop dance, creating a whimsical atmosphere of laughter and learning. When the timer pinged, they gathered around the oven to discover golden brown bunny biscuits, each one a masterpiece of their teamwork and rhythmic dance. Chef Beary Blossom praised their efforts. "Fantastic, my hopping chefs! You've mastered the Bunny's Bunny Hop Biscuits. Now, let's savour the flavours of your delightful creations." The mini-chefs enjoyed their bunny biscuits, their faces beaming with pride and satisfaction. In the lively Mini-Chefs Academy, every adventure was a chance to learn, laugh, and dance through the kitchen challenges. The bunny hop adventure had come to an end, leaving behind a kitchen filled with the sweet aroma of success and the joy of culinary exploration. And so, with a happy hop, skip, and jump, the mini-chefs prepared for their next colourful and rhythmic journey in the magical world of cooking.